Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glad Detective. I'll be showing you how to fix website not showing on your edit profile. If your website is not showing, this is what you have to do. Please watch this video to the very end. Tap on your profile at the tap on your profile, the fifth icon there. Now also tap on edit profile. Looking at this edit profile, you see that my website is not there. What I have to do now is to go back, tap on that arrow there to go back, then tap on edit and three dots at the right corner of the screen, the three horizontal dot there. Tap on settings and privacy, tap on accounts, switch to business accounts, next, select any of these categories, choose a category. I'll choose media and entertainment. Choose media and entertainment. Then tap on next. Skip. Maybe later. Then I will have to go out from this by cancelling it. Tap on that motivation sign there. Now tap on edit profile. Now you can see that I've fixed my website. My website is now showing. So guys, that is it on how to add website, fix website on your edit profile. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to leave a comment at the comment section.